Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
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 Yes, good evening. Where are others? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. We'll start the session. Where were we? Yes. Okay. So in the last class, we were discussing about ratio, proportion, indices, logarithms, equations, inequalities. Correct? Yes. Now, if I consider a ratio as A is to B, here the first term is called
Antecedent.
antecedent, and the second term B is called
Consequent.
Right. So if I have two ratios, A is to B and C is to D, how do I find the compound ratio?
A is to
A
B.
into C is to B into D.
B into D. AC is to BD. Correct compound ratio. Duplicate ratio would be
Square of the ratio.
A square is to B square. Triplicate,
A
Cube
cube is to B cube.
A cube is to B. Same way. Subduplicate ratio,
root of
Root
A.
A is to root B.
root A is to root B. Correct. In proportions, we have one important concept of product rule. What does that
Of extremes.
Product of extremes is equal to product of means.
Product of
Yeah,
means.
product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is, A is to B equal C is to D, then AD is equal to
AD is equal to
BC.
BC. Correct. Then we also looked into the next discussion, indices. We had discussed about various laws. A power m into A power n is equal to
A power M plus N.
A power m plus n. A power m by A power n equals
A power
A
M.
power M minus N.
n minus n, and A power m whole power n would be
A power
A power M N.
A power m.
Into N.
Correct. If I have rth root or fifth root of 10, how do I write it?
10 raised to the power
10 to the power 1 by 5.
10 raised to the power 1 by 5. AB whole power n,
A power
A
M.
power N into B power N.
A power n into B power n. Then if I have same basis, I can equate the
powers.
powers. Correct? I can equate the powers, and obviously the other way around also works. Next, the last concept that we discussed in that chapter was logarithms. In case of logarithms, it's an extension of indices. Correct. So if I have a to the power of y equals x, how do I bring that in logarithm form?
A to the
A-
power X is equal to Y. A to the power X is equal to Y.
Correct. No. A power y equals x. I have an indices in the form of a power y equals x. How do I bring that in logarithm form?
Log x to the base A is equal to Y.
Very good. Log x to the base A is equal to y. Correct. Then same principles. Log mn would be log of
Log of M.
Log M plus log N.
log m plus log n. Log m by n would be log
M minus
Minus log N.
minus log n. Log m whole power n. Log m to the power of n.
N log
N log M.
N into log m. Correct. So these are some of the concepts that we learned. Then we went on to equations. The chapter on equations, where in quadratic equations, we learned the formula to calculate the roots of the equation. What is the formula?
X
Minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A.
Yeah, very good. In that root, b square minus 4ac is called the
Determinant.
Determinant.
equation because it determines the nature of the roots. Correct. So we learned that chart in the previous class. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0,
Equal.
Real and equal.
real and equals. If b square minus 4ac less than 0,
Imaginary.
Imaginary.
imaginary. With regard to greater than 0, we again had two bifurcations. What if it is not a perfect square?
It is irrational.
Irrational, real and
Unequal.
unequal.
Real, unequal, and irrational. Perfect. Whereas if it is a perfect square,
Real, unequal, and
Real, unequal, rational.
real, unequal, and rational. If the roots are irrational, then they would be in
conjugate.
Conjugate
very
point.
good. Conjugate pairs. They would be in conjugate pairs. Yes, these were some of the concepts that we learned in equations. Then we went on to linear inequalities. In case of linear inequalities, we will not get one fixed solution. We will have a solution space. Correct. How to find out that solution space using graphical method. So we would plot that inequality in the graph by considering that inequality as an equation, get a straight line in the graph. Depending upon the sign of the inequality, whether it is towards the origin or away from the origin, we will identify the feasible solution. So that is for one inequality. If we have multiple inequalities, same way we get the common region, which satisfies all the inequalities. Correct? Right? That is how we solve inequalities. So these were the concepts that we learned. We also solved one set of questions on this discussion. Shall we continue if anyone has any doubts before that? No doubts. Okay, we'll continue with that discussion. Can we all come to the next set, April 21? Question number 1. The ratio of number of boys and girls in a school is 2:1, 2:5. If there are 280 students in the school, find the number of girls in the school.
200.
200.
200. Yes. Total is 280.
5.
Girls ratio is 5/7, correct? So 280 into 5/7, 200. Two 80 into 5/7, 200. Question number 2. The third proportional to 9 and 25.
None of these.
None of this.
None of this.
Yes. What's the answer?
70.
625 by 9.
625/9. Yeah, correct. So third proportional. Whenever they ask us third proportional, we have to go with three
B
terms
square.
in that proportion. Correct. 9, 25, this. So it would be b square is equal to a into c. 25 square equals 9 into c. That is what we have to find out. So c would be 25 square is 625 divided by 9. None of this is the right answer. 625 and 9 cannot be further simplified. Next question. Question number 3. Root 3 by 9 to the power of 5/2 into root 9 by 3 root 3 to the power of 7/2 into 9.
3 into root 1.
Yeah, 1 is the right answer. Root 3 can be written. Convert everything into in terms of 3. So 3 power 1/2 divided by 3 square whole power 5/2 into 3 square divided by 3 into 3 power 1/2 whole power 7/2 into 3 square. So 3 power 1/2 into 5/2 is what? 3 power
5/10. 5/4.
4. 2 2s are 4, correct? 5/4 divided by 3 square into 5/2. 2 gets cancelled. 3 to the power of 5 into 3 square into 7/2. 2 gets cancelled. 7 whole divided by 3 into 3 to the power of 1/2 is 3 to the power of
3/2.
Correct. That is 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2. Correct. That is 3 to the power of 3 by 2. 3 to the power of 3 by 2 into 7 by 2 would be 3 to the power of
3 by 2 into 7 by 2.
correct. 3 to the power of 3 by 2 into 7 by 2 is
21 by 4.
21 by 4 into 3 square. So here it is simple. This is a power m into a power m plus n concept in the numerator. 3 to the power of 5 by 4 plus 7 plus 2. Same way denominator 3 to the power of 5 plus 21 by 4. That is 3 to the power of 4 is the LCM. 5 plus 7 fours are 28 plus 2 fours are 8 divided by 3 to the power of 4 LCM again 20 plus 21. So 28 plus 8 36 plus 5 41. 3 to the power of 41 by 4 divided by 3 to the power of 20 plus 21 is 41. 41 by 4 both gets cancelled. 1 is the answer.
Sir, in first step of conversion, sir,
Mhm.
if we write it as root 3 divided by 3 square, can we cancel root 3 ones? And for 3, it is root 3 whole square.
You can do that. You can do that. Yeah, that can also be done. But it will be, I think, easier if we convert everything into one single base.
Okay, sir.
Are we still writing? Okay, complete. Three power 21. It's not 3 power 21, it's 3 power 21 by 4. How did we get 3 power 21 by 4? So here we have 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 by 2. 3 to the power 1 into 3 power 1 by 2 would be 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 power 3 by 2. So 3 power 3 by 2 whole power 7 by 2 would be 3 power 3 by 2 into 7 by 2. 3 sevens are 21, 2 twos are 4. So 3 power 21 by 4. Next question. Question number 4. The value of log 8 to the base 3 divided by log 16 to the base 9 into log 10 to the base 4.
3 log 2
3
to
log 10 to
option
log
A.
to the base.
Option A, 3 log 2 to the base 10. Yes. Let us solve, then we'll discuss. So all the options, the two options are in base 10. So it's always better to convert it into base 10. Log 8 to the base 3, we can write it as
Log 8.
log 8 to the base 10 divided by log 3 to the base 10, correct? Whole divided by log 16 to the base 10,
Log 9 to the base 10.
log 9 to the base 10 into log 10 to the base 10 divided by log 4. Now, log of 8, we can write it as
2 cubed. So 3 log 2 to the base 10.
yeah, log of 2 cubed to the base 10 divided by log 3 to the base 10. Whole divided by log 16 is
4 log 2.
4 log 2 or 2 to the power of 4. Correct. 2 to the power of 4 divided by log 3 is
3 to
3.
the power square.
3 to the power.
Yeah. into what is log 10 to the base 10?
1.
1.
1 divided by
2
log 4 is log 2 square to the base 10. Now apply that property log m to the power of n log m. So 3 log 2 to the base 10 divided by log 3 to the base 10 whole divided by 4 log 2 to the base 10 divided by 2 log 3 to the base 10 into 1 divided by 2 square would be 2 log 2 to the base 10. So log 2 to the base 10, log 2 to the base 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So we get 3 log 2 to the base 10 divided by log 3 to the base 10 in this 1 divided by log 3 to the base 10. So if I bring that to the numerator, it would be log 3 to the base 10, log 3 to the base 10, log 3 to the base 10 gets cancelled. 3 log 2 to the base 10. Hence, option A. Can we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Next one, question number 5. If p by q is minus 2 by 3, then the value of 2p plus q divided by 2p minus q.
1 by 7.
1 by 7.
Option C.
Yeah. 1 by 7. That's easy. 2p plus q divided by 2p minus q. They have given us p by q as minus 2 by 3. So I can say p is equal to minus 2 by 3q.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Substitute that in this equation. 2 times minus 2 by 3q plus q divided by 2 times minus 2 by 3q minus q. That is 2 into minus 2 by 3 is minus 4 by 3q plus q divided by minus 4 by 3q minus q. So we have to just take LCM in the numerator, minus 4q plus 3q divided by minus 4q minus 3q. That is minus 4q plus 3q is minus q by 3 divided by minus 7q by 3. That is minus q by 3 into minus 3 by 7q. 3, 3, q, q, minus into minus plus 1 by 7. Plus 1 by 7 is the answer. Then next one. Next question, an easy one. Roots of the equation 3x square minus 40x plus k equals 0 will be reciprocal of each other if
K is equal to 3.
K is equal to 3.
K is equal to 3. Yes, one of the properties that we discussed, if the roots are reciprocal, then C is equal to A. Correct? C here is K, A is 3. If both should be equal, then K should be equal to 3. K should be equal to 3. So option C is the answer. Or in other words, if you don't remember that property, if they are reciprocal, product is 1. Product of the roots is C by A. Product of the roots is 1. C is K. A is 3. K by 3 is 1. K is equal to 3. Question number 7. If one of the roots of the equation k x square minus 3x plus k is 2, the value of k, yesterday we had done this.
2.
Yes.
2. Same question, I think. On an average, experienced person does 7 units of work, while fresh one works 5 units of work daily, but employer has to maintain output of 35 units of work per day. Situation can be expressed as similar to the
D.
Option D. 7x plus
Option D.
5 greater
Option D,
than or
yes.
equal to
The
35.
question that we had done in the last class. At least 35. So it should be greater than or equal to 35. So option D only satisfies that. 7x plus 5y. So 7x plus 5y greater than or equal to 35. If arithmetic mean between roots of a quadratic equation is 8 and geometric mean between them is 5, the equation is
X square minus 16x plus 25 is equal to 0. Option
the
D.
second question. The previous set had this question: x square minus 16x plus 25 equals 0. Option B. How? We have to go with the concept of x square minus
Sum of roots into x
Sum of root into x
sum
plus
of
product
roots
of.
plus product of roots.
is equal to
Yeah, E equals 0. So find out the sum of roots and product of roots, you'll get the equation. Solution space of the inequalities 2x plus y less than or equal to 10 and x minus y less than or equal to 5 includes the origin, includes the point 4, 3. Which one is correct?
option C, both A 1 and 2.
No,
Only
I think.
one.
Only one.
Only one. Only one. Yes, only one is the answer. Let others try, then we'll discuss this.
So because the 4 points are 0, 10, 5, 0, 0, 5 and 5, 0, no sir. So
Correct.
4, 3 is also included in it, no sir.
4,
Solution.
3. Not. We'll discuss that.
Okay, sir.
4, 3 would be outside the region. X maximum is 5. Y, it's 10. I'll go with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We also have negative minus 5. So in the first equation, x equals 0, y equals 10. X equals 5, y equals 0. So this is the first equation. 2x plus y equals 10. Second equation. X equals 0, y is minus 5. Y is minus 5. X 5, y 0. This is the equation that we get. This is x minus y equal to 5. Now tell me, first equation, where does the solution space lie?
Towards the origin.
Towards the origin, correct. For the second equation, second inequality rather,
It is also towards the origin.
towards the origin. Easy, yes. If it's towards the origin, see what is the inequality? X minus y, consider 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 5. Correct. So it satisfies the inequality. It's towards the origin. So it's towards the origin. So no doubt. So includes solution space includes the origin 100% true. Both cases, solution space includes the origin. Whether the solution space includes the point 4, 3. 4, 3 would come somewhere here. That would be outside the solution space. Easy. Substitute x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 in this equation. You get 8 plus 3, 11. Correct. 11 is not less than or equal to 10. Doesn't satisfy the inequality. Therefore, 4, 3 is outside the solution space. Everyone understood? Complete this. This is the last question in this set. Then we can move on to the next set. Completed? Right then, next set. October 21, question number 1. If x is to y is equal to 3 is to 5, find 1 plus x by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by y is to 1 by x minus 1 by y.
4. Option B.
4.
4. Yes, correct answer. Let us solve, then we'll discuss. One by x plus 1 by y is to 1 by x minus 1 by y can be written as divided by 1 by x minus 1 by y. So we have to simplify. I'll take LCM in the numerator. I get xy, x plus y. Denominator, again I'll get xy as the LCM, y minus x. xy and xy gets cancelled. We get x plus y divided by y minus x. What are they given? X is to y is 3 is to 5 or x by y is 3 by 5. Correct? X by y is 3 by 5 or I can say x is equal to 3 by 5 y. So substitute the same here. Instead of x 3 by 5y, 3 by 5y plus y divided by 3 by 5y minus, sorry, y minus 3 by 5y. Y minus 3 by 5 y. LCM, 5 is the LCM, 3y plus 5y whole divided by, again 5 is the LCM, 5y minus 3y. 3y plus 5y is 8y divided by 5 whole divided by 5 minus 3 is 2y divided by 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled, y and y gets cancelled, 8 by 4. Done?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. If A is to B is 3 is to 4, B is to C is 7 is to 9, C is to D is 2 is to 3, and D is 50% more than E, find the ratio between A and E.
3 is to 5.
No? Not getting? A is to B is given as 3:4. B is to C is given as 7:9. Now, we want A is to E. They have given us the relation between AB, BC, CD, DE, and so on, like that. Correct? So first we have to, if I have A is to B, B is to C, can I find out what is A is to C? I have to retain A at all times. Right? What is A is to C? For that, I have to make B same, B equal in both the ratios so that I can compare. How do you make the B same? I can multiply this by 7, multiply the second ratio by 4. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 36. Correct? Now we have 28, 28. So that can I write A is to B is 21 is to 36?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Same way, what is C is to D given? 2 is to 3. Now I have A is to C, C is to D. Can I find out A is to D? For that, again, I have to have C common. So to have C as 36 in the second ratio, I have to multiply it by 18. First ratio multiply by 1. You get 21 is to 36. 18 2s are 36 is to 18 3s are 54. Therefore, what is A is to D?
21 is to 54.
21 is to 54. Correct. A is to D. We have got. Now, they have given us the relationship between D and E. They have told D is 50% more than E. So, if D is 50% more than E, can I say D is equal to 1.5 E? 50% more than E.
Yes, sir.
Correct. 1.5 E. So that is nothing but D by E equals 1.5 divided by 1. What did I do? I just transferred E the other side. D by E is 1.5 divided by 1, or D by E is 3 by 2. 1.5 into 2 divided by 2. 1.5 into 2 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. So that I'll get the ratio D is to E is equal to 3 is to 2. So A is to D is 21 is to 54. D is to E is 3 is to 2. I want A is to E. For that, I have to have D same. What should I do? 54
Into
divided by 3,
Into 18.
18. So multiply this by 18. You get 21 is to 54. 18 3s are 54. 18 2s are 36. 54 is to 36. So can I say A is to E is 21 is to 36?
Yes, sir.
Or if you further simplify, 3 7s are 3 12s are 7 is to 12. So none of the options are correct. 7 is to 12 is the answer.
Sir, if you don't mind, could you repeat D is to E findings, sir?
D is to E. See, D is 50% more than E. That means D is, I can say that D will be equal to E plus 0.5 E, 50% more than E. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So D will be equal to 1.5 E. What is 1.5? How do I get 1.5 E? D is equal to 1.5 E. If I want the ratio, I'll convert. I'll send E the other side. D by E is equal to 1.5 divided by 1. Correct. That
Yes.
is D to E is 1.5 is to 1. Normally we will not have decimal, so I'll multiply both by 2. D is to E is 3 is to 2.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. We still writing?
Yes, sir.
Come. Move on to the next question. Question number 3. Find the value of square root of 6561 plus fourth root of 6561 plus eighth root of 6561.
93.
93 is the right answer. Easy. What is square root of 6561?
81.
81.
Correct. Fourth root of 6561?
9.
9.
Again, you have to click square root once more. Eighth root, again click square root once more.
3.
So 93. Next question. Find the value of log of x to the power of n divided by y to the power of n plus log of y to the power of n by z to the power of n plus log of z to the power of n by x to the power of n.
0.
0.
0. Yes. How do we get this? Log m by log n is log of m minus n, correct? So log of x to the power of n minus log of y to the power of n plus log of y to the power of n minus log of z to the power of n plus log of z to the power of n minus log of x to the power of n. So x to the power of n minus x to the power of n, y to the power of n minus y to the power of n, z to the power of n minus z to the power of n, 0.
Sir, can we do it by another method? Like we know that a to the power m divided by b to the power m is a by b to the power m. Like that, log x by y to the power n. So n log x by y plus log a plus log b plus log c is nothing but log of a into b into c. And then it is 0. 0 into n is 0.
Yes, that can also be done. Next question. Question number 5. 8 to the power of n into 2 cube into 16 to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 power n into 4 square equals 1 by 4. Value of n.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Correct answer. Let us try. We'll discuss this. This is what we get. A power n into 2 cube is 8. 16 power minus 1 is 1 by 16. 2 power n into 4 square is 16. So 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 fours are. So we get 8 to the power of n divided by 2 to the power of n into 4 twos are 8 equal to 1. or 8 power n equals 8 into 2 power n. This is what we get. 8 power n can be written as 2 cube whole power n equals 8 into 2 power n. 2 cube whole power n would be 2 to the power of 3n equals 8 into 2 to the power of n. If I send 2 to the power of n the other side, 2 to the power of 3n divided by 2 to the power of n equals 8. A power m divided by a power n, a power m minus n. So 2 to the power of 3n minus n equals 8. 2 to the power of 3n minus n is what? 2n equals 8 is 2 cube. I am bringing them to the same base. Same base, equate the power. 2n equals 3, n equals 3 by 2.
Sir, can't we convert the whole equation to the same base, that is 2?
You can do that. Still
Sir,
you get the same.
it was 16 raised to the power minus 1. Can it be 2 raised to the power minus 4?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Done? Complete. Yes. Next question. Question number 6. Given the quadratic equation x plus 1 by x minus x by x plus 1 equals 3 by 2. Solve and find the value of x.
Sir, it should be 2 and minus 1 by 3.
1
No.
and minus 2.
1 and minus 2 by 3.
1 and minus 2 by 3. Option A. Right. We have to solve this. I'll start with taking LCM. X into x plus 1. You get x plus 1 the whole square minus x square equals 3 by 2. X plus 1 the whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x. A plus b the whole square. Formula minus x square divided by x into x plus 1 is x square plus x is equal to 3 by 2. X square minus x square gets cancelled. 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x equals 3 by 2. Cross multiply, we get 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 into x square plus x. 2 into 2x plus 1 is 4x plus 2 equals 3 into x square plus x is 3x square plus 6. Send 4x plus 2 to the right hand side. 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. That is 3x square. 3x minus 4 is minus x minus 2 equals 0. We have to solve this. Either you can go with factorization or formula method. Factorization becomes difficult. If you look at the options also, you will get to know 2 by 3 is one of the answer, means factorization becomes difficult. So go with the formula. A is 3, B is minus 1, C is minus 2. So minus B, minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus root of B square minus 1 square minus 4AC divided by 2n. You get 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, divided by 3 2s are 6. That is 1 plus or minus root of 25 divided by 6, 1 plus or minus 5 by 6. So x is 1 plus 5 by 6 or 1 minus 5 by 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 by 6 is 1, so x is equal to 1. Or 1 minus 5 by 6, if you take 6 as LCM, 6 minus 5, 1 by 6, correct? Did we go wrong? 1 minus 5 by 6, okay, it's not 1 minus 5 by 6. It's 1 minus 5 whole divided by 6. 1 minus 5 whole divided by 6. What is 1 minus 5? Minus 4 by 6. Minus 2 by 3, simplified. So x is 1 or x is minus 2 by 3. Option A. Can we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Question number 7. Easy. A dealer has only rupees 5760 to invest in fans and sewing machines. Cost per unit of fan and sewing machine is rupees 360 and 240 respectively. This can be shown by
Option B.
B.
Option B.
40
option B.
less than or equal to.
Yeah, so because the maximum amount available is only 5760. That is the maximum you can spend. So it should always be less than or equal to. So 360x plus 240y less than or equal to 5760. Option B is the right answer. So we need to understand the constraint, whether it's minimum or maximum. Accordingly, the signs change. The point of intersection between the lines 3x plus 4y equals 7, 4x minus y equals 3 lie in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Yes, we have to just solve the equation. 3x plus 4y equals 7, 4x minus y equals 3. I'll just multiply the second equation by 4. 3x plus 4y equals 7. 4 4s are 16. 16x minus 4y equals 12. 4 by 4y gets cancelled. 19x is 19. So x is 1. If x is 1, what is the value of y? 3 into 1 plus 4y equals 7. So 4y will also be equal to 4 or y equals 1. So x is also equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. 1 comma 1 comes here, which is the first quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So first quadrant, option A.
Sir, or can we find 4 points and then draw a line and find whether it is in first or second point?
That can be done. Again, I think it's time waste, no? Finding out 4 points, drawing line, not required.
Okay, sir.
Question number 9. Roots of the equation. 9 to the power of x plus 2 minus 6 into 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 0.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Very good. Minus 2 is the right answer. Let others try. Then we'll discuss. 9 to the power of x plus 2 can be written as 9 to the power of x into 9 square minus 6 into 3 to the power of x plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power of x into 3 plus 1 equal to 0. 9 to the power of x is nothing but 3 square whole power x into 9 square minus 6 into 3 power x into 3. 3 power x into 3, what is 6? 6 into 3? I can directly write 18.
18.
Yeah, 18 into 3 power x plus 1 equal to 0. Next, what is the next step? How can we further solve this? 3 square whole power x can also be written as 3 to the power of x square. 9 square is 81 minus 18 into 3 power x plus 1 equal to 0. So further solving might be difficult. So can I consider 3 power x as t? If I consider 3 power x as t, we get, what is the equation that we get? 81t square minus 18t plus 1 equal to 0. We have to just simplify this. What is the factors that we get?
9 into 9.
9 into 9. It should be minus 9 into minus 9. That's all. 81t square minus 9t minus 9t plus 1 equal to 0. 9 or you can consider 81t into t minus 1 by 9 minus 9 into t minus 1 by 9 equals 0. T minus 1 by 9 into 81t minus 9 equal to 0. So if t minus 1 by 9 is 0, t is equal to 1 by 9, or 81t minus 9 equal to 0, 81t equal to 9, t will be equal to again 1 by 9. So t equals 1 by 9 or t equals 1 by 9. We do not want t. We want t to the power of x. 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 9. 3 power x is equal to 1 by 3 square. 3 power x is equal to 3 to the power of minus 2. Same base, equal to the power x is equal to minus 2. Alternatively, we can use substitution method also. So if we substitute minus 2 in the question, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 9 to the power of 0 minus 6 into, this is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So 3 to the power of minus 1, which is 1 by 3 plus 1. So 9 power 0 is 1 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Equation satisfies. Everyone understood? Complete this. If anyone is writing, then we'll move on to the next question. Question number 10. The roots of the equation.
Imaginary and unequal.
Yeah, imaginary and unequal. Once it is imaginary, no concept of equal. It cannot be equal. So obviously, it should be unequal. For that, what should we do? B square minus 4ac. What is b minus 1? Minus 1 square minus 4 into 1. So minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 minus 4, we get minus 3. Since b square is 4 less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Once the roots are imaginary, they cannot be equal, so it's unequal. Next question, question number 11. If one root of the quadratic equation is 2 plus root 3, the equation is
X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Option
x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Yes, option A is the right answer. See, if one root is 2 plus root 3, how can you further proceed?
2 minus root 3 is
Correct.
constant.
The other root is 2 minus root 3, conjugate. Yes. So how do we get the equation? Sum of the roots, product of the roots. Sum of the roots is 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. Sum of the roots is 4. Product of the roots, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That is 2 square is 4 minus b square. Root 3 square is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Product of the roots is 1. So the equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Done. The last question of this set. If square root of 1 plus 25 by 144 equals 1 plus x by 12, then the value of x is equal to
1. Option
1.
1. Yes. Simple. We have to just solve this. Square root of 1 plus 25 by 144 is equal to 1 plus x by 12. So if I take 144 LCM, I get 144 plus 25, which is 169, is equal to, if I take 12 LCM, 12 plus x. What is root 169?
13.
13. Root 144?
12.
12.
12. So 13 divided by 12 is equal to 12 plus x divided by 12. 12 gets cancelled. 13 is equal to 12 plus x. Therefore, x is equal to 13 minus 12, which is 1. X is equal to 1. Done? Yes. Okay. Any doubts still here? Good to go. Fine then. Next set.
Sir.
November 12. Come to question number 1. Get the answer for the first question.
So question is only not there, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's
Question.
incomplete.
Come to the next question. Question number 2. If xy plus yz plus zx is equal to minus 1, value of x plus y divided by 1 plus xy plus z plus y divided by 1 plus zy plus x plus z divided by 1 plus zx. So first question and second question combined, they have made second question bigger.
Sir, option D, sir.
C, sir.
Option
C.
C. C is the right answer. Let others solve.
Sir, if we take LCM, it is too long, no, sir.
If we take LCM,
It becomes too long, no, sir.
correct. So we will not take LCM. We will not take LCM, don't worry. We'll take LCM at the last step. Correct. This is the requirement. What is the question that they have given? Xy plus yz plus zx is equal to -1. Xy plus yz plus zx is equal to -1. So if xy plus yz plus zx equals -1, can I tell minus of xy plus yz plus zx would be equal to 1?
Yes.
That is minus xy minus yz minus zx equals 1. Correct. So instead of 1 here, bring that x plus y divided by minus xy minus yz minus zx plus xy plus z plus y divided by minus xy minus yz minus zx plus yz or zy plus x plus z divided by minus xy minus yz minus zx plus zx. So xy minus xy, yz minus yz, zx minus zx gets cancelled. What remains is x plus y divided by, here we have minus yz minus zx. So can I take minus z common? If I take minus z common, I get y plus x. Y plus x can be written as x plus y plus z plus y divided by minus xy minus zx minus x common. Y plus z can be written as z plus y plus x plus z divided by minus xy minus yz minus y common x plus z. So x plus y, z plus y, z plus y, x plus z gets cancelled. What remains is 1 by minus z plus 1 by minus x plus 1 by minus y, or minus 1 by z minus 1 by x minus 1 by y. This can be solved. Now we'll take the LCM. How? X, y, z is the LCM. If I take xyz as the LCM, minus
xy
xy minus
yz.
yz and minus zx, correct?
Yes.
This is what we get. So here again, further simplifying, I'll take minus 1 common. If I take minus 1 common, I get xy plus yz plus zx divided by x, y, and z. Are we right?
Yes.
XYZ LCM, you get minus xy minus yz minus zx, correct? So you take minus 1 common, xy plus yz plus zx. What is xy plus yz plus zx?
Minus
Given it in the question. So I'll substitute minus 1 there. Minus 1 into minus 1 divided by x by z. Minus into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 divided by x by z. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Completed? Okay, complete. Done. Okay. That was question number 2. Next one, question number 3. The salaries of A, B, C are in the ratio of 2:3:5. If increments of 15%, 10%, and 20% are done, in their respective salaries, find the new salary ratio.
Option A, 23 is to
A.
30 to 60.
Yeah, perfect. 23:33:60. So 2:3:5, I'll consider the salaries as 2x, 3x, and 5x. Increment of 15% for the first person. So what would be the revised salary? 2.3x, 2x into 15%, 2 into 15%, 2.3. Then 3x, 10% increase, 3.3x, 5x, 20% increase, 6x. So the ratio that we get is 2.3 is to 3.3 is to 60. Sorry, is to 6. We cannot have ratios in decimals, so I'll multiply 10. You get 23 is to 33 is to 60. Option A. Then, yes, question number 4. If A is to B is 5:3, B is to C is 6:7, C is to D is 14:9, A is to B is to C is to D.
Option D, 20
D.
to 12 is to 14 is to 9.
Yes, 20 is to 12 is to 14 is to 9. The previous set, the similar question, the approach should be similar. A is to B is 5:3. B is to C is 6:7. So to compare the two ratios and get A is to C, I have to multiply the first ratio by 2 so that I get B as 6. So 10:6. Therefore, the ratio would be A is to B is to C is 10:6:7. Whereas C is to D is 14:9. Now again to compare, here C is 7, C is 14. I have to multiply the first ratios by 2. That is 20:12:14. Therefore, A is to B is to C is to D will be equal to 20:12:14:9. Option D. Option D is the right answer. Everyone. Can we move on to the next question? Question number 5.
Yes.
Salary of P is 25% lower than that of Q, and salary of R is 20% higher than Q. Ratio of salary of R and P.
Option B,
8:5.
B.
8:5. 8:5 is the right answer. salary of P is 25% lower than Q. So I can say salary of P is 25% lower than that of Q. Yeah, I can say P is 0.75 Q, 25% lesser than Q. So 0.75 Q. Salary of R is 20% higher. So R is 1.2 times Q. 1.2 times Q. So first we find out P by Q. What is P by Q? P to Q ratio 0.75 divided by 1. Multiply this by 4 divided by 4. You get 3 by 4. Correct? So can I say P is to Q is 3:4 ratio? Same way, R by Q is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 1. Multiply and divide by 5. You get 6 by 5. So R is to Q is 6:5. But we want R is to P. We want R is to P. So R is to Q is 6 by 5. P is to Q is 3 by 4. Multiply. How do we get this? I have to multiply this ratio by, here I have 5, here I have 4. So multiply this by 5, multiply this by 4. You get R is to Q is equal to 24 by 20. 24 is to 20. P is to Q as
15 is to 20.
15 is to 20. Now Q is 20. So I can compare R and P. So R is to P would be 24 is to 15. 24 is to 15. 3 8s are 3 5s are. So 8 is to 5.
So rather than this, can we consider Q salary as X and P will be X minus 25% like that?
Yes, you can do that also.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please explain this one again, sir?
Yeah, see, salary of P is 25% less than Q. So I can say P is equal to 0.75 Q, 25% lesser. So if P is 0.75 Q, what is the ratio? P by Q is equal to 0.75 by 1. So I want them in whole number. So I'll multiply and divide by 4. 0.75 into 4 is 3. 1 4s are 4. 3 by 4. P is to Q is 3 is to 4. Same way, salary of R is 20% higher than Q. So R is 1.2 Q, 20% higher, 1.20. So that is R divided by Q is 1.2 divided by 1. Again, I do not want it in decimals. I want it in whole numbers into and divided by 5. 1.2 into 5 is 6. 1 into 5 is 5. So R is to Q is 6 is to 5. We don't want P is to Q, neither R is to Q. We want R is to P. To find out R is to P ratio from these two ratios, which is a common element there, Q. So I want Q to be equal in both the ratios. Here I have Q as 4, here I have Q as 5. So to bring it equal, 4 and 5 LCM is 20. So I'll multiply this ratio by 5 so that I get 15 is to 20. I'll multiply this ratio by 4 so that I get 24 is to 20. Here Q is 20. Here also Q is 20. So I can compare R and P. R is 24, P is 15. R is to P is 24 is to 15. Simplify, 8 is to 5.
Thank you, sir.
Write down, complete this. Anyone still writing? No. Next question. The cab bill is partly fixed and partly varies on the distance covered. For 456 kilometers, the bill is 8252. 484 kilometers, bill is 8728. What will be the bill for 500 kilometers?
9,000.
9,000.
Very good. 9,000 is the right answer. So it's partly fixed and partly variable. Fixed component, we'll consider it as Y. variable component, I'll consider it as x. Okay, so in that case, in the first equation, 456 kilometers, 456x plus fixed y will be equal to total expenditure is 8252 total bill. Same way, next kilometer is 484x. The variable component changes with the change in the kilometer, change in the distance, plus y, fixed, y is fixed, equals 8728. So we have to find out the values of x and y so that we can apply the same for 500 kilometers. How do we do this? Solve the equation. 484 minus 456, we get minus 28x is equal to 8728 minus 8252 minus
476.
476. So x will be 476 by 28.
17.
17. If x is 17, substitute x is 17 in any of the equation. 456 into 17 plus y is equal to 8252. What is 456 into 17?
7,752.
752 plus y equals 8252.
500.
Therefore, y is 8252 minus 7752. 500. So fixed component is 500. So for 500 kilometers per kilometer, it is 17 rupees plus 500 rupees fixed. Correct? 500 x plus y. So 500 into 17, we get 9,500. Sorry, 8,500 plus 500.
9,000.
9,000. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Question number 7. X plus 4 is a factor of x to the power of 4 plus 4x cube minus ax square minus bx plus 24. Also, a plus b is 29. Find the value of b.
Option
22.
22.
Option
C, 22.
C, 22. Option C, 22. Correct. How do we get this? Substitute. See, if x plus 4 is a factor, what would be the value of x?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Correct. Substitute x as minus 4 in this equation. Minus 4 to the power of 4 plus 4 times minus 4 cube minus a into minus 4 square minus b into minus 4 plus 24 should be equal to 0. So minus 4 to the power of 4 would be, what is minus 4 to the power of 4?
256.
256. Plus 256 plus minus 4 cube is minus 64. Minus 64 into 4 is minus 256.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Minus into 4 square is 16. So minus 16a
Plus 4.
minus into minus plus 4b
Plus
plus 24 is equal to 0. That is minus 16a plus 4b. 256 minus 256 gets cancelled is equal to minus 24.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Take you can always see they have given us a plus b is 29. If a plus b is 29, can I consider b as 29 minus a? Substitute that in this equation. Minus 16 16a plus 4b, instead of b, 29 minus a is equal to minus 24. Minus 16a, 4 into 29,
116.
yeah, plus 116 minus 4a is equal to minus 24. So minus 16a minus 4a is minus 20a plus 116 is equal to minus 24. Send minus 20a the other side, you get plus 20a is equal to 116 minus 24 this side plus 24. 116 plus 24 is 140.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 20a is 140. A will be
7.
7.
7.
If a is 7, we know that b is 29 minus a. 29 minus 7, 22. B is 22.
So simultaneously we can solve two equations, no, sir?
Yes. We will look into the next question. Anyone still writing? No. Next question. Question number 8. X and Y have their present ages in the ratio of 6:7. 14 years ago, the ratio of the ages of the two was 4:5. What will be the ratio of their ages 21 years from now?
Option B.
9:10.
9:10, right answer. Correct. Let others try. We'll discuss. Present ages in the ratio of 6:7. So currently X is to Y is 6:7 or X by Y is 6/7. So X can be written as 6/7 Y. Right? 14 years ago, the age of X would have been X minus 14. Age of Y would have been Y minus 14. The ratios were 4/5. So cross multiply this. 5 times X minus 14 equals 4 times Y minus 14. So 5 into X is 5X. 5 into 14 is 70 is equal to 4Y minus 4 into 14 is 56. So we get 5x 4y if you send this side. 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 56 minus 70 this side plus 70. Minus 56 plus 70 is plus 3. 5x minus 4y is 14. We know that x is equal to 6/7y. Correct? So instead of x, I'll substitute 6/7y. Is equal to 14. This is 30/7y minus 4y is equal to 14. We can take 7 LCM. 30 minus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 14. 30 minus 28 is 2. So 2y is equal to 17. 7 into 14. If I send 7 the other side, 7 into 14. 14 sevens are
98.
98. Correct. So y will be 49. If y is 49, we know that x is 6/7 into y. 6/7 into 49. 7 ones are 7, 7s are 6, 7s are 42. So x 42. Their present ages are 42 and 49, but they don't want that information. They want the ratio of ages 21 years from now. So from now 21 years, what would be the age of x?
63.
Yes, 63. Age of y?
70.
70.
70. 63 is to 70. 7
Nine.
9s are 10 10s. 9 is to 10.
Sir, how it is 63?
How did we get?
63.
63. See, now the age of x is 42.
Yes, sir.
They're asking us their age 20 years from now. 42 plus 21.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Correct. Same way 49 is 20. Yeah. Done? Yes. Next question. Question number 9. The equation 3x square plus mx plus n equals 0 has roots that are double that of equation x square plus 10x plus 12 equals 0. What is the value of m plus n?
204.
204. Very good. 204 is the right answer. Let us try this. So first go with the equation that we know. X square plus 10x plus 12 equal to 0. Find out the roots. We can either go with formula method or factorization. Factorization might become difficult. Formula A is 1, B is 10, C is 12, correct? Now, minus B plus or minus root of B square, 10 square is 100, minus 4 into A into C. 4 into 1 into 12 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 10 plus or minus root of 100 minus 48. Correct? Yeah, 100 minus 48 by 2. Minus 10 plus or minus root of 52 divided by 2. 52 can be written as 13 fours are. 13 fours are 52 divided by 2. Why did I do 13 fours are? So that I can take 4 outside. 2 root 13. Square root of 4 outside, 2 root 13 divided by 2. Again, I can take 2 common. If I take 2 common in the numerator, I get minus 5 plus or minus root 13 divided by 2. Why did I take that? So that 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, the roots are minus 5 plus root 13, minus 5 minus root 13.
Irrational rule.
Yeah, they are irrational conjugate pairs. Now, they do not want this. They are telling the other equation that they have given, roots are double. So if you have to double it into 2, multiply. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 plus 2 root 13 Correct? Same way, minus 10
minus
minus 2 root 13. These are the two roots of that equation. So they are asking us to find out the value of m plus n. For that, if we can calculate product of the roots and sum of the roots, what would be the sum of the roots? Minus 10 plus 2 root 13 minus 10 minus 2 root 13 plus minus gets cancelled. Minus 10 is
minus 20.
minus 20. Same way, product of the roots. Minus 10 plus 2 root 13 into minus 10 minus 2 root 13 minus 10 into minus 10. So this is a plus b times a square minus b square, correct? Minus 10 square minus 2 root 13 the whole square. Minus 10 square is 100 minus 2 root 13 the whole square. 2 square is 4, root 13 square is 13. So 13 into 4 is 52, 100 minus 52, 48.
48.
Yes. Now we know sum of the roots is minus b by a. Minus b by a is what? Minus 20. If you go back to that question, what is the value of b?
Minus m.
M. What is the value of a?
3.
3. So can I say minus m by 3 is minus 20? Minus minus gets cancelled. M 20 into 3, 60. Same way, product of the roots is c by a. C by a is 48. Product 48. We have computed. What is the value of c?
N.
N. Value of a?
3.
3. N by 3 is 48. N is 48 by 3, which is
44.
44.
144. They are asking us the value of m plus n. 60 plus 144, 204.
204.
60 plus 144, 204. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Complete this. Done? Okay, that was question number 9. Next one, question number 10. What is the smallest integral value for n for which n cube plus 7n square minus 50n minus 336 is greater than 0?
Option A, 8.
Option
8.
A.
7.
Just substitute the values. If I substitute n as 8, 8 cube is
512.
512 plus
448.
7 64 minus 50 into 8 is 400 minus 336. What is 64 into 7?
448.
448. So 512 plus 448 minus 400 minus 336, we get
224.
224. It is greater than 0, satisfies. Correct. Whereas if I take 6 or 7, I'll take 7. If I take 7 cube is 343.
343.
Plus 7 square is 49. 49 sevens are 343. Minus 50 into 7 is 350.
350.
Minus 336. We get 0.
0.
0. It is not greater than 0. 0 is not greater than 0. So 7 is not possible. Therefore, the smallest value which satisfies this is 8. Clear? Yes.
Yes,
The next one. Question number 11. if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, then the equation whose roots alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square will be
C.
Option C, sir.
option C. This similar problem we have solved in the class. Option C is the right answer. So if we want alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square, we have to calculate sum of the roots and product of the roots. For that, we have to know alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square. Okay, so if this is the equation with alpha and beta are the roots, sum of the roots, alpha plus beta will be
-7.
-7, correct. Product of the roots, alpha into beta will be
12.
12.
12 minus b by a and c by a, the formulas. Correct. So alpha plus beta is -7, alpha beta is 12. We know alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to, we know alpha plus beta is -7. Can I say alpha plus beta the whole square is -7 square, which is 49? Correct. Same way, alpha minus beta the whole square. Now, can I write alpha minus beta the whole square as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Yes. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is alpha plus beta the whole square? 49.
49.
Minus 4 times. What is alpha into beta? 12.
1.
So 49 minus 48.
1.
We get alpha minus beta the whole square as 1. So we have the two roots. Sum of the roots would be 49 plus 150. Product of the roots would be 49. 49 into 1 is 49. So the equation x square minus sum of the roots into x, 50x plus product of roots 49 is equal to 0.
Sir, 49x plus 1 is equal to 0.
49x
Plus 1 is equal to 0.
plus 1. Why? Sum of the x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equals 0. Sum of the roots is 50, product of the roots is 49. So x square minus 50x plus 49 is equal to 0.
Sir, alpha plus beta the whole square is 1 root, no, sir?
Alpha plus beta the whole square is 1 root. Alpha minus beta the whole square is 1 root.
Okay.
Alpha plus beta the whole square is 49. Alpha minus beta the whole square is 1.
Okay, sir. Again, we need to do alpha plus beta and alpha beta.
Sum of alpha plus beta square, alpha minus beta square. That is 49 plus 150. And product 49 into 1, 49.
Okay, sir.
So then why it's minus 50x?
Because what is the format of the equation? X square minus sum of the roots into x.
Okay.
Sir, could you explain the second step? Alpha minus beta the whole square is equals to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4.
Alpha minus beta. This is just a minus b whole square formula. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now, a plus b the whole square formula, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So can I write a square plus b square is equal to, send 2ab the other side, a plus b the whole square minus 2ab? Correct? Substitute that here. Instead of a square plus b square, I'll write a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. And again, you have one more minus 2ab. So alpha a minus b the whole square would be a plus b the whole square minus 2ab minus 2ab would be minus 4ab.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, go on, Mom.
Done? Anyone still writing this? No. Next question then. Question number 12. The value of k for the system of equations kx plus 2y equals y and 3x plus y equals 1 has no solution is
6.
Option C, 6.
6. If we consider k as 6, we'll not get any solution.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
For getting no solution, the conditions should be a1 divided by a2 should be
Is
equal
equals to B1 divided by B2.
that should be equal to C1 by C2. What is A1 here? A1 is K, A2 is 3, is
No.
equal to B1 is 2,
1.
B2 is 1, C1 is 5, C2 is 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, minus 5 and minus 1. Okay. So if we go with this, K by 3 is equal to 2 by 1. Therefore, K is 3 2s are 6. That means if the equation is 6x plus 2y is equal to 5, you get, and 3x plus y is equal to 1, you will not get any solution. You will not get any solution. So K is equal to 6. So whenever they ask us no solution, we have to go with this. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Next question. Question number 30. On the average, this is same. We have done already. Experienced person does 5 units of work while fresh one does 3 units of work daily, minimum of 30 units. So
Option D.
yes, minimum of 30 means it will be greater than or equal to. So 5x plus 3y greater than or equal to 30. That's all. So this is November 21 paper, MTP. Can we move on to the next MTP? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No? Can we move on? Next one, March 22. Question number 1. Find the value of log of root 25 to the base 10 minus log 2 cube to the base 10 plus log 4 square to the base 10.
1.
1.
1. 1 is the right answer. Let us solve it. Log of root 25. Log of root 25 can be written as 5 to the base 10 minus log of 2 is 8 to the base 10 plus log of 4 square is 16.
Log 16 to the base 10.
Yeah. So log 5 plus log 16 can be written as log of 5 into 16 to the base 10 minus log 8 to the base 10. Log m minus log n can be written as log of
M by N.
M by N.
5 into 16 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 5 twos are 10.
Log 10 to the base
Yeah, log 10 to the base 10 is
1.
1.
so answer is 1. Next question. Question number 2. A is to B is 2 is to 5. Then 10A plus 3B is to 5A plus 2B.
Option A. 7 is to
A.
7:4, correct. 10 A is 2, so 10 into 2 plus 3 into B is 5 is 2. 5 into 2 plus 2 into B is 5. 20 plus 15, 35 is 2. 10 plus 10, 20. 5 sevens are 5 fours are 7:4. That is question number 2. Next question. Question number 3. The ratio compounded of 4:5 and subduplicate of A:9 is 8:15. Find the value of A.
4.
4.
4.
4 is the right answer. Compounded of 4:5 and subduplicate of A:9. So 4:5. Subduplicate of A:9 is root
A is to 3.
root, which is 3. So this is compounding of this is 8:15. So 4 root A is to 5 3s are 15. I can consider it as 8:15. So 15, 15 consequent matches. So I can equate the antecedents. 4 root A is equal to 8. Therefore, root A is equal to 2. A would be squaring on both sides. 4. A is 4. We look into the next question. Question number 4. If 1/2, 1/3, 1/5, and 1/x are in proportion, find the value of x.
15/2.
15 by 2.
15/2. Yes. So 1/2 is to 1/3 is equal to 1/5 is to 1/x. Product rule. 1/2 into 1/x is equal to 1/3 into 1/5. 1/2x is equal to 1/15. 2x is equal to 15. X is 15. Done? Yes. Next one, question number 5. If p is equal to x to the power of 1/3 plus x to the power of minus 1/3, find the value of 3p cube minus 9p.
1/6.
1/6.
So 3 into
X plus 1/x.
x.
X plus 1/x is the right answer. Very good. X plus 1/x is the right answer. We'll see how did we get that. See what is required. 3p cube minus 9p. Correct. Take 3 common. You get p cube minus 3p. Now, consider this. P cube minus 3p. What happens with regard to p cube minus 3p? We have to. What is the value of p? X to the power of 1/3 plus x to the power of minus 1/3. So x to the power of 1/3 plus x to the power of minus 1/3 cube, p cube, minus 3 into x to the power of 1/3 minus x to the power of minus 1/3. Correct? Correct? Then what is the next step? What can be done? A plus b the whole cube. a cube x 1 by 3 whole power 3 is x plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 whole power 3 is x to the power of minus 1 a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b. X to the power of 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 1 by 3. A into b, 3ab into a plus b. X to the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3.
Sir, in
Minus,
it should be
minus, sorry?
in first step, minus 3 x to the power 1 by 3 plus no, sir.
Which, this one?
Yes, sir.
Plus, correct. Plus. Minus 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3. Okay, so x plus x to the power of minus 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 3 and x to the power of minus 1 by 3 get cancelled. 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 is nothing but p minus 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 is p again. So 3p gets cancelled. X plus 1 by x. But we had 3 here. We took 3 common. Correct? 3 times p cube minus 3p. That is what we got. So we have to multiply by 3. 3 into x plus 1 by x. That is the correct answer. The options are wrong. It should have been, I think we should have 3 here. 3 into x plus 1 by x. Next question. Okay, anyone still writing this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Complete, no problem.
Sir, can you please explain that last third step, sir? That cancellation part.
Now, see, here we have x to the power of 1 by 3 into x to the power of minus 1 by 3.
Yes, sir.
A power m into a power m is a power m plus n.
Yes, sir.
That is x to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is cancelled. X to the power of 0 is 1.
Yes, sir.
This gets cancelled. I get 3. X to the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 is nothing but p.
Yes, sir.
So 3p minus 3p. 3 into the power of 1 by 3 plus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 is again p. So plus 3p minus 3p gets cancelled.
Thank you, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Question number 6. Fourth proportional to x, 2x, x plus 1. Easy.
Option C.
X plus 2.
Plus 2.
2x plus 2 is the right answer. So fourth proportion, they have given us x, 2x, x plus 1. Fourth proportion is not given. We have to find out that product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 2x into x plus 1 is equal to x into fourth portion. So that fourth proportion would be equal to 2x into x plus 1 divided by x. X and x gets cancelled. 2 into x plus 1. Option says you have to open the bracket, so 2x plus 2. Option C. Done? Next question. Question number 7. If the value of 3 to the power of n plus 1 plus 3 to the power of n divided by 3 to the power of n plus 3 minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 is equal to, easy.
1 by 6.
Sir,
1 by 6. It's 1 by 6. So 3 to the power of n plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power of n into 3 plus 3 to the power of n divided by 3 to the power of n plus 3 can be written as 3 to the power of n into 3 cube minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power of n into 3 to the power of 1. So in the numerator, I can take 3 to the power of n common. I get 3 plus 1. Denominator, I can take 3 to the power of n common. I get 3 cube minus 3. 3 power n gets cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 cube 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. 4 1s are 4 6s are. You get 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the answer. Done? Next
Yes, sir.
question. Question number 8. Yeah. The value of x square minus y minus z square divided by x plus z square minus y square plus y square minus x minus z square plus x divided by x plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x minus y square divided by y plus z square minus x square.
1.
1. Simple. We'll solve this. The question is x square minus y minus z square divided by x plus z square minus y square plus y square minus x minus z square divided by x plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x minus y square divided by y plus z square minus x square. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Sorry, a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So can I write it in the form of a plus b into a minus b? A is x square. Sorry, a is x plus a plus b. B is y minus z into a minus b. X minus of b, y minus z. That is x minus y plus z. Minus y minus of minus plus x minus y plus z whole divided by again a square minus b square. A is x plus z plus b into x plus z minus b. Everyone understood this? Same way for the other two. A square minus b square, y plus x minus z into y minus x plus z divided by x plus y plus z into x plus y minus z plus z plus x minus y into z minus x plus y divided by y plus z plus x into y plus z, sorry, y plus z minus x, correct. Now, if you look into this, here x plus z minus y, x plus z minus y, I can cancel. Same way, x plus y minus z, x plus y minus z can be cancelled. Same way, y plus z minus x, y plus z minus x can be cancelled. Now we are left with x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z in the denominator. So I can easily take LCM. X plus y plus z is equal to x plus y minus z plus y minus x plus z plus z plus x minus y. So x minus x, y minus y minus z and plus z. If we remove, we get x plus y plus z in the numerator, x plus y plus z in the denominator. Cancel, 1 is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Complete this, write this down. Done? Anyone still writing? No? Fine then. We'll move on to the next question. This was question number 8. Come to the next question. Question number 9. If ABC is equal to 2, then the value of 1 divided by 1 plus A plus 2B to the power of minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus half B plus C to the power of minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus C plus A to the power of minus 1.
Option B, 2.
Sir, option E, 1.
1 is the right answer. It's not 2, 1 is the right answer. Others try. Completed. Did we get the answer as 1? What is the question? 1 divided by 1 plus A plus, instead of writing 2B to the power of minus 1, can I write 2 by B? Yes. Same way, 1 divided by 1 plus, instead of again writing 2B to the power of minus 1, B by half B, I'll write B by 2, C to the power of minus 1, I'll write 1 by C. Plus 1 divided by 1 plus C plus A to the power of minus 1 will be written as 1 by A. If everyone, what have they given us? What is the hint that they have given information? ABC is equal to
2.
2. If ABC is equal to 2, can I say AC is 2 by B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AC is 2 by B, or 1 by AC is B by 2? Reciprocal. 1 by AC is B by 2. Now come to this. 1 divided by 1 plus A plus. Instead of 2 by B, can I write AC? AC is equal to 2 by B. Correct? Same way, plus 1 divided by 1 plus. Instead of B by 2, can I write AC? No,
Yes.
I can write 1 by AC.
1 by AC.
Yeah. Plus 1 by C plus 1 divided by 1 plus C plus 1 by A. So this is same. First one will not change. 1 plus A plus AC. Second one, I'll take LCM. AC would be the LCM in the denominator. AC plus 1 plus A plus 1 divided by A would be the LCM. A plus AC plus 1. So if we do this, we get 1 divided by 1 plus A plus AC plus AC, bring it to the numerator, AC divided by 1 plus A plus AC plus A, bring it to the denominator, A divided by 1 plus A plus AC. 1 plus A plus AC is the LCM. You again get 1 plus A plus AC in the numerator. Cancel, 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Clear? Done? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Can we move on to the next question? Come to the next question then. This was 9. Come to question number 10. If 3x minus 2 divided by 5x minus 6 is the duplicate ratio of 2 by 3, what is the value of x?
6.
Sir, option B, minus 6 by 7, no, sir.
Minus
Yes,
6
sir.
by 7 is the right answer. So options are wrong. Whatever options that they have given are wrong. We will discuss this. Duplicate ratio of 2 by 3. What is duplicate ratio of 2 by 3?
4 by
4
9.
by 9.
4 by 5.
And 3 square, correct? 4 by 9, correct. Is equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 5x minus 6. Simplify this. We get the answer. Cross multiply 4 into 5x minus 6 is equal to 9 into 3x minus 2. 4 5s are 20. So 20x minus 24 is equal to 27x minus 80. So send 20x this side, you get 27 minus 27x is equal to send 18 this side, minus 24 plus 18, you get minus 6. X is minus 6 by 7. X is minus 6 by 7. The options are wrong. Next question. Question number 11. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 7x plus 12 equals 0, equation whose roots are alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square, same question which we have solved already,
Option C.
right?
Option
C.
C.
Yes, we already solved this. Roots of the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 7 equals 0 are alpha and beta. Then the value of beta to the power of minus 1, alpha into beta to the power of minus 1 plus beta into alpha to the power of minus 1.
Option D. Minus 9.
Minus 19 by 14.
Very good. Minus 19 by 14. They have given us the equation. So from this, I can calculate alpha plus beta, sum of the roots, minus b by a, minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2. Alpha beta
Product of the roots,
7 by 2.
7 by 2. Correct. They are asking us alpha into beta to the power of minus 1 plus beta into alpha to the power of minus 1. That is nothing but alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Correct? So I will take alpha beta LCM. We get alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square
Minus 2 alpha.
minus 2 alpha beta. Very good. Divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 square minus 2 times 7 by 2. Alpha beta. Divided by alpha beta is 7 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4. Minus 2 gets cancelled, 7. Divided by 7 by 2. So in the numerator, we can take 4 LCM. We get 9 minus
28.
20. Divided by 7 by 2. 9 minus 28 is minus 19. Minus 19 by 4 into 2 by 7. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is minus 19 by 2 sevens are 14. Minus 19 by 14. Clear? Done? Anyone still writing? No? Yes? No?
Done, sir.
Done? Completed? Okay. Next question. Question number 13. On solving the inequalities, 5x plus y less than or equal to 100, x plus y less than or equal to 60, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, we get the following situation.
None of this. Answer is 0, 100, 20, 0, 0, 60, 60, 0.
Wrong.
Option A.
Yes, sir.
Option A is the right answer. So first one we have is 5x plus y. Wait, I will solve it here. 5x plus y is equal to 100, I think. 5x plus y equals 100. So in that case, what are the 2 points that we get? If x is 0, y is
100.
100. Y is 0, x is
20.
20.
the next equation that we had, x plus y is equal to
60.
60. So that is easy. X is 0, y is 60, y is 0, x is 60.
Yes, sir. This only I remember the points.
Yeah. So bring those points in the graph. X 0, y 100. Okay. So we'll have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So first one is 0, 100, 20, 0. Correct? This is the first equation that we get. This equation is 5x plus y less than 5x y is 0 is equal to 100. So is it less than or greater than? So towards the origin or away from the origin?
What's the origin?
Towards origin.
Towards. So this side, feasible solution. Same way, x is 0, y is 60, x is 60, y is 0. This is the next equation. X plus y equals 60. Is it less than or greater than?
Less than.
Less than.
Is that? So can I say this is the feasible solution? Common area for both? Yes. Yeah. So they're asking us the 4 corner points, coordinate points. This is 0, 60. This is 0, 0. This is 20, 0. We want one more. How do we find this? By solving the two equations, because it's the intersection of those two lines. So 5x plus y is equal to 100. X plus y is equal to 60. Solve this. Minus, minus, minus. X and y and y gets cancelled. 5x minus x is 4x, 40. So x is 10. If x is 10, y is equal to 50, because x plus y is 60. X is 10, y is equal to 50. So the other point is 10, 50. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Are we writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you tell how did we get the points, sir?
How did you get the point? See, this is the common area you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the common area, the coordinates, the corner points are the feasible solutions. So we are getting the corner points. This is 0, 60. This is 0, 0. This is 20, 0. This one, it's not on any of the axes. But how can we find out? This is the intersection point of these two lines. It will satisfy both the equations. So solve the two equations, you'll get the points 10, 50. Completed. Okay, fine. Next question. Question number 14. The rules and regulations demand that the employer should employ not more than 5 experienced hands to one fresh one, and this fact is represented by taking experienced person as X and fresh person as Y.
Option D, none of this.
No.
Sir, option B, 5y less than or equal to x.
5y less than or equal to X? No, because they are telling you cannot employ more than 5 experienced hands for every one fresh one. Correct? For every one fresh. So for every one fresh, you can have at the most how many experienced? 5 experienced hands. That means 5 times the fresh ones. Can it be less than or equal to experienced or more than or equal to experienced? It has to be greater than or equal to the experienced hands. I'll explain this. See, let us say the experienced were 100, fresh ones were 20. Does it satisfy the condition? Yes. 5 for 1. Correct. Now, instead of this, if I had 30 experienced hands, sorry, 30 fresh hands. So 5 times, now, does it satisfy the condition?
No, sir.
It will satisfy the condition because they are telling you cannot employ more than 5 experienced hands for every one fresh. So here 30 fresh hands, I can employ up to 150 experienced hands 5 times. Correct. But I have only 100 fresh, 100 experience. So the condition is satisfied. Correct. So go with this equation 5 times by 150. What is X? 100. Is 150 greater than 100? Yes, the condition is satisfied. Whereas if I had only 15 fresh hands, now is the condition satisfied? No, because times of 15 is 75. I can only have 75 experienced hands, but we have 100. Correct? So in that case, 5 times 15 is 75. 75 should be greater than 100. It is not greater than 100. Condition is not satisfied. So this logic goes hand in hand with this inequality. Therefore, 5y greater than or equal to X.
Sir, could you repeat it, sir? If you don't.
What is X is experienced person, Y is fresh person. Correct? Now they are telling you cannot have 5 times, more than 5 times experienced persons when compared to fresh person. That means when I multiply the fresh people by 5, that should not be less than experienced people. That means 5y should be greater than or equal to X. It should always be, because experienced people cannot exceed 5 times the fresh. So when I multiply fresh people by 5, it cannot be less than experience. It should always be greater than or equal to 5. X. Greater than or equal to X. For example, that example that we took, if there are 100 experienced, 20 fresh, condition is satisfied. 25s are 100. 100 is equal to 100. So we also have equal to here. Instead of 20, let's say we had 25 fresh people. If we have 25 fresh people, how many experience can we have?
125.
125, 5 times. But we have only 100. Condition is satisfied. it says maximum you can have 5 times. It's not minimum 5. Maximum you can have 5 times. So 100 is still condition is satisfied. 5 times y, 5 times 25 is 125, is greater than or equal to x, which is 100. Equation, inequality being satisfied. If we have 10 fresh, then maximum experience that we can have is only 50, but we have 100. Condition is not satisfied. So 5 times 10 is 50, is not greater than or equal to 100. Condition is not satisfied. So this example numbers logic goes hand in with inequality. Therefore, this inequality is the correct inequality. Understood?
So then it can be even option A, right?
Option A. Okay, we'll check option A. Y should always be greater than or equal to x by 5 should be the right answer. This also is correct, I think. Y is greater than or equal to x by 5. Yeah, they have just said 5 the other side. Correct?
Okay.
So same example, if y is 20, 100 by 5, 20 equals. Y is 25, 25, 100 by 5 is 20. So 25 is greater than or equal to 20. Condition is satisfied. Therefore, option A is also correct. Option A and C both are correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. So with that, we are done with this set, which is March 2022. March 22 paper is done. Can we move on to the last set, the last paper? We'll solve. Obviously, we might not be able to complete it. We'll see how much ever problems is possible. We'll complete so that it will be easy for us tomorrow. Come to question number 1, March 22. Root 3 by 9 to the power of 5 by 2 into 9 by 3 root 3 to the power of 7 by 2 into 9. We have already done this.
Yes, sir. 1.
Answer is 1.
1.
P by 2 is 2 by 3. Value of 2p plus q by 2p minus 2.
1 by
Again, we have
7. Yes, sir.
7. If log root 3 to the base a is 1 by 6, find the value of a.
27.
27.
27. Very good. Log root 3. Log root 3 to the base a is equal to 1 by 6. This can be written as a to the power of 1 by 6 is equal to root 3. Correct? A to the power of 1 by 6 is equal to root 3. Now, what I'll do is a power 1 by 6, root 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 1 by 2. I'll take 6th power on both sides. 6th power on both sides. A power 1 by 6 into 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 by 2 into 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. A is equal to 3 cube. That is 27. A equals 3 cube, which is 27. Understood? Yes. We'll look into the next one. Question number 4. Log of p square by qr plus log of q square by pr plus log of r square by pq is equal to
0.
0.
0. Yeah, it's 0. Correct. Easy. Log of p square. This is log m plus log n plus log o. That is log of mno. P square by q. Log of p square by qr into q square by pr into r square by pq. A plus log of m plus n. Log of mn is equal to log m plus log n. So p, one of the p gets cancelled. P, the other p gets cancelled. Q, one of the q gets cancelled. Q, q, r, 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 r. Everything gets cancelled. Log 1 is 0. Log of 1 is equal to 0. Next one, question number 5. Find the value of 3t to the power of -1 divided by t to the power of -1 by 3.
A.
Option A.
Option A, very good. 3t to the power of 1 divided by t to the power of -1 by 3, I can write it as 3, instead of t to the power of -1, I'll write 3 by t into t to the power of -1 by 3. That is 3 divided by t into the power of 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 3 divided by t to the power of 1 minus 1 by 3 is
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Yeah, so option A is the correct answer. Option A is the right answer. Done? Yes. Okay. So we'll stop at this point. Question number 5 is done. We have a few more questions left. We can quickly finish this and start with the next chapter in the next class. Fine. Tomorrow we'll have the class. At what time? Shall we have at 6:30 or shall we have at 4 o'clock?
Anything is fine.
4.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock, sir.
4 o'clock, sir.
4 o'clock. Okay. How many of us cannot attend at 4 o'clock? We have college, etc. No one. Everyone can attend at 4 o'clock. Only one. Only one. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now the numbers are coming. Okay. Fine then. I think we'll go with. Shall we start at 6 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
those people who have raised your hands. 6 o'clock is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, fine then. So we'll start at 6 to 9 we can do, so that we need not extend till 10 o'clock at the night. We can sleep early. Okay, we'll start at 6. Now leaving, take a break now, maybe around 15 minutes break. Exactly at 6:45, join the Zoom. Yes, everyone.
Yes.
I think communicated. There is one more Zoom for us.
No, sir.
No, it's not communicated. Okay. So it will be, I think it will be communicated in the group in a while. We will, as of now, we will be joining in the first Zoom itself. Correct? When the number increases, we'll be coming out of that Zoom. Earlier, the communication was we'll go to YouTube. Instead of going to YouTube, we have one more Zoom now. Zoom 2. That credentials would be given. It will be shared in the group. So if the numbers increase, you will go to Zoom 2. Obviously, in Zoom 2, you will not be in a position to talk. So later, again, at the end of the session, you can again come back to Zoom 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.